Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use built-in surface level on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on display. Now scroll down and click on edge panels. Now turn on edge panels and then tap on panels, and from here select tools panel. After selecting tools panel, you can go back to your home screen to use the surface level. Now to use the surface level, open the edge panel and go to the tools panel, and from here click on this three dot more icon. Now select surface level, and to use surface level just simply check where you get X and Y 0. So when you will see X and Y 0, it means the surface is leveled. So now the surface is leveled. So when there is no 0, it means the surface is not leveled. So you can see when I rotate the mobile, it shows bigger numbers. So that's how you can use built-in surface level on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.